In this video, we explore how to combine Azure AI Foundry with GitHub Copilot to dramatically speed up AI application development. GitHub Copilot has been trained on the Azure AI SDK documentation and examples. Combined with Azure AI Foundry as the runtime, you get an AI that writes code for an AI platform, dramatically reducing the time from idea to working prototype. Install the Azure AI Foundry extension from the VS Code Marketplace. It gives you a full view of your Foundry workspace. Browse models, deploy them, test agents, and inject connection strings directly into your project without switching to the browser. Use the @workspace/ command to generate complete Azure AI SDK scaffolding from a natural language description. Copilot will generate the project setup, agent creation code, and tool registration. Follow up with requests to add error handling, retry logic, and streaming support. When an agent tool call fails, paste the error and the tool definition into Copilot Chat. It will identify schema mismatches, missing required fields, and type errors instantly. Ask Copilot to generate unit tests for each tool function and to mock tool responses so you can test your agent logic offline. Use Copilot to generate evaluation datasets. Ask it to create diverse question-answer pairs, including edge cases and adversarial examples. This is one of the highest value uses of Copilot in AI development because creating good evaluation datasets manually is tedious and time-consuming. Copilot Workspace lets you describe a change in natural language and have Copilot plan and implement it across multiple files. Use it to generate GitHub Actions workflows for your evaluation and deployment pipeline, and to write deployment runbooks and incident response playbooks. To recap, install the Foundry VS Code extension, use @workspace for scaffolding, Copilot Chat for debugging, and Copilot Workspace for CI/CD automation. Next up, a deep dive into prompt flow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI content.